Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain about relational operators. See, what are the relational operators and what these operators will do. First of all, relational operators are 6: greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and not equals to. So what these operators will do? See, relational operators will check the relation among the data. So what is the relation? Suppose 5 is greater than 3. It will check yes, it is a valid condition, so it will return true value. For example, 5 and 3 both are equal. True or false? No, both are not equal. False, it will return. So relational operators always returns a Boolean value, true or false, by validating the relation. But what kind of questions they will ask on relational operators? Simply, we need to write the conditions using relational operators. What are the conditions? How can we check the number is positive? See, if you are taking one number, suppose into n, how can you check that is the positive number? Simply greater than 0. Because all the values which are greater than 0, we can call it as positive numbers. How can you say that the number is negative number? Here, n is less than 0. How can you say that the number is non-zero? Either it is a positive or negative, but it is not equals to 0. Yes, n is not equals to 0. How can we say that two numbers are equal? We need to write the conditions to check two numbers are equal, like a equals to b. Any variables you can take. How can we check that two numbers are not equal? A is not equals to b. How can you write the condition to check the first number is greater than the second number? A is greater than b. For example, condition for two numbers, sum equals to 10. Sum of two numbers a and b, just make it sum, equals to 10. How can we say that the square of the first number is equals to the second number? Two numbers given, a and b. Square of the first number is a into a is equals to second number is a b. How can we say that the number is divisible by 7? See, for example, if you use 14, if you divide with a 7, yes, 2 times 14, remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, yes, we can say that it's a divisible. Suppose if it is a 10, when you are dividing with a 7 one time, remainder is a 3. If remainder is 3, it is not a divisible. Simple. Based on the remainder we are using. So, remainder operator we have to use. Any number, you are just dividing with a 7. We are no need to depends on a quotient. We depends on the remainder. So we are checking the remainder. If remainder equals to 0, yes, the number is divisible by 7. How can you say that the number is not divisible by 100? N mod 100 is not equals to 0. How to check the number is even number or not? What is the even number? The number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. So, n mod 2 equal to 0. For example, two numbers given, 23 and 83. How can you say that the last two digits are equal? Last two digits, not a total number. How you will get the last digit? We already discussed in arithmetic operators. Any number, you just perform mod operation with the 10. Suppose 23 divide with a 10, 2 times 30, 2 times 20, remainder is a 3. It's a last digit. No? So they have given two numbers. First number last digit, second number last digit, both are equal. This is the condition for this. Checking last digits of given two numbers equal or not. Relational operators are 6. These are the 6 operators. The next one is what these operators will do. Just these operators validate the relation among the data and returns true or false. Sir, what type of conditions we have to write using relational operators? These are the best examples to learn. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.